If you are struggling with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions, you are at the right place. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shilpa Joshi and today we will discuss in detail about all these things. First, we will start with addition. Suppose you have to add two fractions. Look carefully if they are like fractions. Just in this case, the denominators are same, so we can say these two fractions are like fractions. Whenever you have to add like fractions, you have to simply add the numerators. So the answer would be 3 plus 2, 5 upon 7. You can take one more example. 5 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9. Again, these two fractions are like fractions, so I can simply add the numerators. 5 plus 1, 6 upon 9. In the same manner, if I have to subtract two fractions, look whether they are like or unlike. Both of them have same denominators, so they are again like fractions. So I simply have to subtract the numerators. 6 minus 4 is 2 upon 11. This is our answer. Take one more example. 7 upon 12 minus 4 upon 12. Again, these two fractions are like fractions. So I will simply subtract the numerators. 7 minus 4 is 3 upon 12. This is the answer. If you have to add two fractions, but this time these are two unlike fractions, you cannot directly add the numerators. Whenever you have to add unlike fractions, you have to make them like fractions. And how can we do that? Simply by taking LCM of both the denominators. So LCM of 9 and 5. I hope that you know how to take LCM and HCF of numbers, as you have learned it in your previous classes. But still, if you are having some doubts or queries, you can ask me in the comment section. LCM of 9 and 5, it would be 45. So now I will convert this 9 into 45 and 5 into 45. And for that, first I will write 4 upon 9 multiplied by, now I have to convert this 9 into 45. It means I am multiplying 9 with a number to make it 45. So I will multiply 9 5s are 45. Since I have multiplied 9 with 5, again I have to multiply 4 with 5, because in case of fraction, you cannot do one thing, that if you are multiplying a denominator, you have to multiply numerator also with the same number. So I will multiply 4 with 5 and 4 5s are 20. And in second case, 3 upon 5. Again I have to multiply 5 with a number to make it 45. 5 9s are 45. Again I have to multiply 3 with 9. 3 9s are 27. Now I am having two like fractions. First is 20 upon 45 and second is 27 upon 45. So now I will add these two fractions. 20 upon 45 plus 27 upon 45. See, these are two like fractions, so I just have to add the numerators. And that is 47 upon 45. But this is not our answer, as this is an improper fraction. I will divide 47 with 45. 45 ones are 45. 2. So the answer is 1 is to 2 upon 45. This is the answer. Now you have to subtract these two fractions, but again these two fractions are unlike fractions, so you cannot subtract them directly. First we have to convert these two unlike fractions into like fractions, and for that we have to take LCM of denominators. So LCM of 11 and 7, and that is 77. Now I have to convert this 11 into 77 and 7 into 77. First I will take 8 upon 11 multiplied with a number so that the denominator would be 77. And we know that 11 sevens are 77. Again I am multiplying the denominator with 7. So I have to multiply the numerator also with 7. 7 8s are 56. Next 3 upon 7 multiplied with a number to make it 77. We know that 11 sevens are 77. So again I will multiply 7 with 11. So I have to multiply 3 with 11 also. 3 11s are 33. See, again I am having two like fractions. Now I am having two like fractions. 56 upon 77 minus 33 upon 77. I just have to subtract the numerators because denominators are same. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by 77. So this is our answer. Now we will learn how to simplify fractions. In this example there are three fractions and two of them has to be added and one fraction has to be subtracted. And again these three fractions are unlike fractions. Whenever we have to add or subtract any fraction, we have to take LCM if they are unlike fractions. So LCM of 3, 6 and 9, it is 18. Now I have to convert all three denominators into 18. First I will take 2 upon 3. Again I will multiply 3 with a number to make it 18. 3 6 is 18. Again I have to multiply 2 with 6 and 6 2s are 12. Second fraction 5 upon 6. Now I have to change this 6 into 18. 6 3s are 18. So again I will multiply 5 with 3 and 5 3s are 15. And the last one 1 upon 9. Again I have to change this denominator 9 into 18. 9 2s are 18. Again I have to multiply 1 with 2. So answer is 2 upon 18. Now I am having three like fractions. First one is 12 upon 18 plus 15 upon 18 minus 2 upon 18. Always remember one thing, that you cannot change the sign. Whatever sign is given in the question, you have to write them as it is. You just have to change the unlike fractions into like fractions. And now since these three fractions are like fractions, I can directly add or subtract. But how can we add and subtract both? If you have remembered the BODMAS rule, as per the BODMAS rule, addition should be done first and the last one should be subtraction. First I will add these two fractions, 12 plus 15, 27 upon 18 minus 2 upon 18. Now I will subtract 27 minus 2, 25 upon 18. Again this is an improper fraction, so I have to divide 25 by 18. 25 divided by 18. 18 ones are 18. 7. So the answer is 1 is to 7 upon 18. This is the answer. Take one more example. You have these three fractions and you have to subtract them. But first fraction is a whole number, second is a mixed fraction, and third one is also a mixed fraction. So whenever you are having mixed fractions and you have to add or subtract, first you have to change them into improper fraction. So first I will write down 8 minus, and how can we change mixed fraction into improper fraction? Simply by multiplying this natural number with the denominator. 4 to the 8, and I have to add this numerator. 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2. Write down the signs as it is. Do not change any sign. Again here you have to multiply 2 with 4. 4 to the 8 plus 1, again 9 upon 4. So now I am having these three numbers. But first one is a whole number, so I can always write divided by 1. As you know that whenever there is a natural number, it is always at the numerator position, and you can always write divided by 1. Now I have to, again these three fractions are unlike fractions, so I have to make them like fraction, and for that I will take LCM of 1, 2 and 4, and the LCM would be 4. Now I will change all the denominators into 4. This one is already having 4 as a denominator, but I have to change denominators of these two fractions. So first I will take 8 upon 1. Now I have to change this 1 into 4. So I can always multiply 1 with 4. 1 4s are 4. Again I have to multiply 8 with 4. 8 4s are 32. Second one is 9 upon 2. I have to change this 2 into 4, and I can multiply 2 with 2. 2 2s are 4. Again I have to multiply 9 with 2, and 9 2s are 18. 9 upon 4 is already having 4 as a denominator, so I don't have to do anything with that. Now I am having 3 like fractions. First 32 upon 4, then 18 upon 4, and third one is 9 upon 4. First I will write 32 upon 4 minus 18 upon 4 minus 9 upon 4. See, these three fractions are like fractions, and I can directly deal with the numerators. But 18 upon 4 and 9 upon 4, both of them are having minus sign in front of them. So I can add these two fractions because both of them are negative fractions. But there is no sign in front of 32 upon 4. So we always assume it as a positive fraction. So first I will add these two fractions, and I will write 32 upon 4 as it is. So I will write 32 upon 4. Now I will add these two fractions, but I will always put a negative sign because both the fractions are negative fractions. 18 plus 9, 27 upon 4. Now I will subtract 32 upon 4 minus 27 upon 4. And the answer would be 5 upon 4. But again, this 5 upon 4 is an improper fraction. So I have to divide 5 with 4. 4 ones are 4. 1. So I will write 1 is to 1 upon 4. This is the answer. Now we will learn how to simplify the fractions. See, these are three fractions and we have to multiply 3 of them. So how can we do that? Simply we have to find out, is there any common divisor which can divide numerator and denominator. See, 5 can divide 45. So I can write 5 ones are 5 and 5 nines are 45. Again, 11 can divide 33 and 44 both. 11 threes are 33 and 11 fours are 44. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So what is the answer? There is nothing left at the numerator side. So we can write 1 and 9 multiplied by 2, 9 twos are 80. So this is the answer. Take one more example. These three fractions are mixed fractions and there is a multiplication sign in between them. So first we have to convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction. 17 twos are 34 plus 2, 36 upon 17. Again put the sign as it is. You don't have to change any sign. Now multiply 7 with 9. 7 9s are 63 plus 2 65 divided by 9. Again multiplication sign. 52 ones are 52 plus 33. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 3 8. 85 upon 52. Now we are having 3 improper fractions. Now we will find, is there any common divisor? See, 36 can be divided by 9. So we will divide. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. 85 can be divided by 17. 17 ones are 17. 17 fives are 85. Then 13. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. So again 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. So what is the answer? 5 fives are 25. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will make more informative videos for you. Also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification. Thanks for watching my video. Keep learning, keep smiling. Goodbye.